Hello, everyone. Dr. Nandipha Magudumana was being held in the hospital wing of the Kroonstad Correctional Center in Free State. He is not receiving any special treatment but is kept in that section because of the ongoing investigations. This was revealed by the Correctional Services National Commissioner Makgoti Tobagale during his visit to the Kgosi Mampuri Correctional Center on Thursday, where Thabo Bester is being held. He said he had earlier visited the correctional center in Kroonstad and confirmed that Magudumana was following the same programs as all the other offenders. He said she is eating the same food. I had discussion with her because that's what we do when we visit correctional facilities. We check if offenders or remand prisoners have complaints and we check if their complaints are attended to. He said she was kept in the prison's hospital section because of the ongoing investigations, that she is a high-profile offender who needed to be monitored at all times, and that it was a highly secure section where she doesn't have access or interaction with other offenders. He also stated that the interaction with the officials is limited to those who work in that section. We are ensuring that all times she is watched, and I want to repeat, as I have indicated with Mr. Bester, it is also to make sure that she doesn't harm herself. The hospital section in the facility is still a cell. The only difference is that the number of beds is fewer, so she is with other offenders. He also told the media that the Facebook rapist Thabo Bester was kept in his cell, which is electronically operated through the integrated security system. He said there's two officials that are on 24/7 and they change shift, and said basically we are making the point that he is housed where he belongs and does not cause any problems as he did before. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.